All right, now we'll try adverbs. Adverbs are a little bit trickier than the adjectives. They're generally longer and a little more irregular, so I can't rely on any kind of patterns or anything other than a bunch of adverbs end in ly, like normally, regularly, rarely, quickly, simply. So maybe I'll get lucky on some of those. All right, here we go.
Carefully. Generally. Together. Still. To. Then. There. Very. Sometimes. Clearly. Instead. Exactly. Away. Barely. Just. Again. Frequently. Recently. Already. Often.
All right, well, I know I sound like a broken record, but I got lucky on that one because there was a lot of short words. Many of the adverbs in the top 50 list are 6, 8, even 10 letters long, and so they're very challenging. You saw one or two in there where I just typed in no guess. I had no no earthly idea what I was hearing. So, but when I recognize one, I recognize it, and that's the goal, is just to increase the frequency with which I recognize one. And the only way you get that is by just becoming familiar with the word sound. You cannot spell, at least I cannot spell words out at this speed. I can still do it to some words at 60, limited number of words I can spell out, but at 70 it becomes almost impossible. So anyway, thanks. Have a great day, and appreciate you watching the videos.